Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing maths assignment of NIOS, and in this video, we are discussing question number 1A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in PDF and handwritten form. So if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 90093688238, where we provide all type of solution related to studies. If you have other queries also. Now question number 1A is in a joint family of 30 members. 10 members like only red color, 15 members like only blue color, 2 members like both the colors. If R equal to set of family members who like red color, B equal to set of family members who like blue color, how can the set of family members who like red color only be represented in terms of sets R and B? How can the set of family members who like blue color only be presented in the terms of sets R and B? Find the number of members who neither like red color nor blue color and draw a Venn diagram for the situation. So here is the question where we are discussing. So thank you so much for watching. If you need any other help, so you can contact us anytime. Thank you so much.